I'm going to show you how to do a basic revolve command in AutoCAD. First I'm going to start a new drawing. Then I'm going to ensure I'm in the 3D modeling workspace by clicking the little drop down next to the gear. Next I want to create an object which I'm going to revolve. For this I'm going to press C on the keyboard to create a circle and hit enter. Now I have to specify the midpoint of the circle, so I'm going to make the x coordinate 100 and the y coordinate 0. Next I'm prompted to specify the radius, which I will make 50. I then double click my middle mouse button to zoom extents. Now that we have the object we want to revolve, we have to draw the axis of rotation. For this I will press L on the keyboard to activate the line tool. I will then set the x coordinate to 0 and the y coordinate to -100. I then draw a vertical line of length 200. This will be our axis of rotation. Next I'm going to go to the southwest isometric view by clicking the corner on the view cube. One thing to note about revolve is if you type REV to initiate the command, you will initiate a surface revolve and not a solid revolve. In our case we want to do a solid revolve, so we will have to go to the ribbon under solid and click revolve. As we selected the shape beforehand, we now only have to specify the axis of rotation. For this we will select the two endpoints of the line we created before. The next step is to specify the angle of rotation. If you are unhappy with the direction of your revolve, you can either click reverse or you can press R and enter to reverse the direction. We are going to type 270 degrees and hit enter to complete the revolve tool. As you can see, a revolve has been created. If this was at all useful and you want to see more videos like this in the future, please click like and subscribe.